Hi everyone, and welcome to High Valley Couponer. Happy Black Friday to you all. I'm here at Kroger. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not really too excited about anything this week. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head on into Kroger and we're just gonna walk around and we're gonna look very informally at deals. If something crosses my eye, I'm just gonna show it to you guys. I'm usually super formal. I have the video all organized, super special, like ranked from cheapest to most expensive, but I'm not gonna lie, today's a really busy day. I'm shopping, getting a lot of Christmas stuff done, and have another Thanksgiving with another side of the family, and I've been doing Vlogmas, and it's just not that big of a week at Kroger. So we're just gonna be super informal about it. I'm gonna go over the weekend sale stuff again. I'm gonna go over any deals. If they got any Black Friday stuff in here, I am gonna go over that too. I'm really excited. So let's just head on into Kroger very informally. I hope you guys understand. And that's what we're gonna do, because I don't have a lot of time to spend on editing today either. I wanna get this out to you all as soon as possible. So that's why I'm trying to like do it informally. So let's just head on into Kroger and see what we can find. We don't have a Kroger Marketplace store in my town, but if you do have a Kroger Marketplace, you can get huge discounts today for Black Friday. This Kroger, even though we do have the stuff, it's not on sale here. So, but if you do have a Marketplace, you can do it. If you want to see that ad, I did a video a couple weeks ago. So go to the Black Friday 2019 playlist and you can find that. All right, so this is only a 5-day sale. Keep in mind the Kroger sales this week are only through Tuesday and it started on Friday. So these are going Friday through Sunday. The walnuts are $3.99. So I don't know, that's not too bad. Oh, and heads up, next week is a buy 5, save 5 mega event starting Wednesday. So the deals will be back, the videos will all be back to normal. Kroger will be up on Wednesday. Ad preview will be up tomorrow and all that fun stuff. So it'll all be back to normal with a good mega event, and I'll have a better video. Keep in mind, all the deals from last week are still going. So the spend 15, save 5 baking, that's still on sale. And the buy 4, save 4 mini mega event is still on sale. So everything from last week's on sale. Go watch that video from last week and you can see all the deals on that. KitchenAid, it's $200 here. So that's actually a really good deal. That's where I've seen everywhere else. So, and then the Instant Pots are $50. That's what I've seen everywhere else. Kroger's got some good stuff. I didn't know they sold that here. I just bought it from Walmart. I wish I would have got it here because I would have got fuel points. Oh, lots of great snack deals. The Nabisco crackers are 99 cents for the Triscuits, and the chicken and the biscuit. I'm actually gonna get some of these. That's a good deal. Probably get 5. Also, we got Lay's for $1.49. That's pretty decent as well. Good deals. So we do have a really great deal here on the Red Gold Chili Ready tomatoes. They're just every day $1. There's 50 cents on 2 from the Ibotta app, as well as 50 cents on 2 from the Kroger cashback programs. So essentially you'll get $1 back on 2 of these, making it 2 for $1. So that's not too shabby for the Red Gold. Pretty good. So the Cracker Barrel cheese cubes, they're $1.50 this week. Actually through December 29th. There is 50 cents from Ibotta as well as 50 cents back from Kroger cashback, making these only 50 cents. And that is really good cheese, so good deal. And then I also believe for the dippers, there's a 50 cent Ibotta and a 50 cent KCB, so that make it $1. All right, so the Smidge and Spoon Sugar is 99 cents with the digital coupon for 3 days only, so that's a good deal. So always look for closeouts when you're at Kroger. They always have closeouts. Like there's 50% off this rice. Down here, these rices are on 35%, 50% off. This couscous. So lots of good markdowns. I forgot to film these over there, but the Kroger breakfast sausage is $1.49. That's great. And the fresh foods, market fried or baked chicken, $4.99. That's a great deal as well. So the Kroger peanut butter is 99 cents. So that's a great price. Really great price. Stock up on this. It's on the 3-day sale with the digital coupon. All right, so all coffee at Kroger, there's not any exclusions. All of it is buy 2, get 1 free. And that apparently even works on sales. So like this McCafe is $5.99. Buy 3 of them. So that's going to come to actually just $11.98. Use 2 of $1 off 1 coupons. They came in a previous insert, I think 11.3. So anyways, I've been knocking it down to $9.98 for 3 of these. But then Fetch Rewards has $1 back. So it's $8.98 for 3 of them at McCafe. And then actually the Javalia it's $5.99. It's the same thing. That comes to $11.98 for 3. I have $2.50 back on Fetch, so that'd be like $9 for 3 of them, which is a good deal. Lots of coffee, Green Mountain. The big ones, all coffee. There's not any exclusions. So even the Kroger brand, you could do. And this isn't just K-Cups. It works on the bagged coffees as well. So like 8 o'clock in Seattle's Best and Kroger and all of it. So every single coffee is buy 2, get 1 free. All right, so the Betty Crocker cookie mix and the mug treats are 99 cents with the 5X digital on the 3-day sale. So that's a great price for 99 cents. Airwick is still free if you got that digital coupon for buy 1, get 1 free. That coupon actually deducts $4.88 because that's the sale price. I don't know why they don't just do $3.88, but it takes off $4.88. So essentially you pay $2.88 for 2 of these because they're $3.88 on the buy 4, save 4. And then you get back $1.50 on each from Ibotta. So you get 2 of these for totally free. We actually have some really great paper product deals. I'm beating myself up. I forgot to bring my coupons in for this, or I would have done it because this is a great deal. But the Quid Northern and the Angel Soft 2, which is over here, they're $3.99 with the 5X digital coupon. Brings it down to $3.99. We have a $1 manufacturer's coupon for this Angel Soft toilet paper. So it'd be $2.99 when you stack that manufacturer with the store coupon. It's a digital, corporate confirmed that. So $2.99 is a great deal. The Quid Northern will be $3.49 because we just have a 50-cent coupon, but still an awesome price. All right, I wouldn't do this, but if you like Nexus, you might want to go ahead and take advantage. They're $11.99 this week. They're on the spend 10, save free. So grab 2 of them. You can use you can use 2 $5 off 1 printable coupons. I'll have in the description box below. Then you get the $3 off because it has to be after all coupons. So anyways, that's like making it $10.98 for 2 of them or $5.49 each. That's half off. I wouldn't do that for Nexus, but I don't know. I really have no other deals to share. And it also works on the hairspray too. All right, so the Gerber baby food is 69 cents on the 3-day sale with the 5X digital. It's a good deal. Super annoying, but Kroger jacked up the price this week on the spray deodorant stuff, $4.49. So no longer free. So interesting note. This toothpaste, on the other hand, is free. It's $1.79, and there's a $2 coupon from Sunday's Paper, so that makes this totally free. So awesome deal. I am so sorry that I couldn't find more deals. I think it's just because it's the 5-day thing. They're not having more sales. I just think that's the reason. Because it's such a short time, they really can't do that much. So like I said, Wednesday's going to be great. So come back Wednesday. I got one more deal to share with you, which is good, that you should run in here and get before it ends on Sunday. So get here for this one. The DiGiorno's are $2.99, and there's a so $2.99 with the 5X digital. There's a 5 off 3 manufacturer digital you can load. So load both of those. And that's so $9 minus 5, it's gonna make $4 for 3 DiGiorno pizzas, or $1.34 or something like that each. Epic. You don't want to miss that deal. Don't want to miss it. That's a great price. So that's all that I got for today. Go watch last week's video because there is a lot of deals in there you still can do, but some of them you can't. So go watch it and check into that. And thank you guys so much for watching.